Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. In today's video, I thought we would use this package of mini turtles. Comes with 14 pieces of wooden turtles, and I want to make a miniature version, a minifig of the sea turtle that I made before. So I first start by gluing 2 pieces together and brought that down to 7 pieces instead of 14. Then for today's DIY, I'm only going to be using one of them. I don't need this to be a super thick turtle because that might seem kind of off considering the size of it. I'm just going to use the 2 that are glued together and use one to make a miniature one. The other 6 I will still make miniature ones, and I'm going to make magnet ones of those. If you'd like to see that, subscribe for that video for later on. In the meantime though, I take this one and I go ahead and replicate the same process as I did the larger sea turtle. First by covering it completely with tissue paper. Once it was completely dried, I went ahead and covered it completely with black chalk paint. Then while that was drying, I pulled out this Aeroplay stuff in the color blue and created a mini shell for the sea turtle. I then added this metal gear. Oh, and off camera I went ahead and painted over the entirety of the base of the turtle in this mixture of metallic blue and green paint. And once that dried, then I went ahead and did the shell. For the eyes, I went with this matching sort of golden color to match the golden pearl, but they didn't have miniature golden pearls that went around with this sticker gem design, so I just went with the golden gem instead. Then I covered the entire figure with this clear varnish and let that dry. And this is the finished product. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.